Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about banks, facilities and services. Not only providing savings and credit products, banks also provide other services that facilitate customers' financial transactions for both business and personal needs. There are so many banking services apparently. Let's take a look at what banking services look like together. First one, letter of credit. Are you an entrepreneur who has experienced concerns that you have already sent money to import goods and the goods were not delivered? Or are you worried about exporting the goods first, but later the other party doesn't complete the payment? Well, if it's like this, a letter of credit service, or LC, in banking can be a solution to this problem. Documentary letter of credit or letter of credit is a written promise issued by the issuing bank on the basis of a written request from the applicant or himself to the beneficiary to pay or receive the draft, permitting another bank to pay or receive take over the draft. If the document submitted by the beneficiary in accordance with the terms and conditions of the written promise issued by the issuing bank. So, in other words, this service will act as an intermediary that suspends payments until the transaction between the two parties is fulfilled. Second, bank guarantee. A bank guarantee is a guarantee in the form of a script issued by a bank to a customer, which results in the bank paying to the party receiving the guarantee if the guaranteed party, in this case the customer in question, is in default. With this financial service, the security of your payments and the smooth running of your business transactions will be guaranteed by the bank with a fast and easy process. Third, clearing. As with other banking services, clearing aims to facilitate the process of completing financial transactions and guaranteeing the security. What does that mean? Clearing is the calculation of accounts payable between clearing participants centrally in one place by handing over securities and trade documents that have been determined to be calculated. In general, this clearing can be categorized as a delivery service or transfers. However, unlike ordinary transfer, the time required for clearing is longer because it follows a certain settlement period. Items used in clearing services can be in the form of checks, money orders, debit notes, or other forms approved by central bank as the executor. The next one, safe deposit box. Do you have gold bars or chips or other valuables but don't know where to store it? Store at home, there is a risk of theft. Stored under the pillow is a bit sure store from the neck because it will get stuck. Well, maybe it's time for you to use this one banking service. Safe deposit box is a facility for storing valuables in the form of a box provided by a bank for the benefit of its customers. This safe box is something that is exclusive to you and can only be opened by the bank and you together. It's really safe. Next one, electronic money or stored value card. You could say that in an era like now, the movement of financial transactions is getting faster because it is easier for people to transact without the need to use money in a physical form. Now, people can transact with electronic money. Electronic money is a means of payment in electronic form where the value of the money is stored in a certain electronic media, and the user must deposit a certain amount of money or top up first to the issuer and keep it in the form of a balance. Electronic money is divided into two types, namely chip-based. This type is generally in the form of cards, while there are server-based ones. This type is generally in the form of applications installed on smartphones. It turns out that there are banking services that you can feel the benefits of, ranging from those that you may rarely or even never use, such as letter of credit and safe deposit boxes, and even some that are very close to our lives, such as electronic money. Wherever you go, there will be always banking service around you. Thank you.